Manufacturing has entered the era of intelligence driven by innovation. SIGER Data integrates digital intelligence with AI focused on precision machining. We enable unmanned operations from single machines to production lines and entire factories. We deliver integrated industrial digital solutions, and through full domain collaboration and intelligent monitoring, we help drive the industry toward wide area intelligent control, AI empowerment, manufacturing upgrade. Suzhou, a key manufacturing hub in China, is where SIGER Data is deeply rooted. We have established 5 major engineering service centers: Suzhou headquarters, Shaoxing East China, Wuhan Central China, Chongqing Southwest, and Xi'an Northwest. Together, they form a highly efficient response and delivery system. SIGER Data builds a complete digital intelligence system for precision machining across 3 levels: machine, line, and factory. It includes a 4-in-1 unmanned monitoring at machine level, a digital FMs for production lines, and an industrial MES system, enabling full data connectivity from production management to execution control, and building a truly AI-driven manufacturing system. System Matrix, Smart Manufacturing Excellence. SIGER Data Machine Intelligent 4-in-1 System. One system integrates 4 core capabilities: tool monitoring system for real-time anomaly detection, collision protection system to safeguard the spindle, adaptive machining system with real-time parameter optimization, and thermal error compensation system for stable precision. Builds a machine-level intelligence system centered on monitoring, protection, optimization, and compensation. SIGER Data FM System enables line-level intelligent scheduling and efficient collaboration. It coordinates multiple machines and processes, balances material flow and cycle time dynamically, and ensures efficient linkage and flexible production across the line. SIGER Data Manufacturing Execution System. As the factory-level control center, it oversees overall production. It integrates production planning, process management, quality traceability, and data analytics, making production transparent and controllable. Innovation leads smart manufacturing future. Backed by proprietary core tech and reliable products, the company boasts authoritative certifications and strong industry recognition. Our services cover construction machinery, automotive manufacturing, aerospace, high-speed rail, and defense. We have served over 1,500 manufacturers, continuously advancing precision machining towards digital intelligence and unmanned operation. SIGER Data remains committed to its vision, innovation with data for a better industry. We continue to deepen our expertise in precision machining digitalization, driving manufacturing upgrades worldwide. We empower global manufacturers to achieve higher quality development.